All right, last one.
Video shows the moment that a wild elephant went on a rampage and charged at a shop full of customers. Oh, my goodness gracious. I mean, that is one heck of an animal, an elephant. And you don't want to be on the wrong side of it. You can't understand the scale of it and the force, the amount of force. Now, I don't know why there's an elephant in this town center over here, because I'm watching this clip and I'm like, okay, we're in an urban environment here.
Uh-huh.
So is this supposed to be like a trained elephant? Is this elephant given, like, are people riding on it, or?
I think it's an elephant that escaped.
Oh my God, really? From a zoo or something?
Yeah.
So it was a captive elephant. Here we go. Video shows the moment the wild elephant went on the rampage and charged a shop full of customers. Footage shows a busy marketplace in eastern India's West Bengal where people begin to flee. Suddenly the elephant appears and charges people on mopeds. Forest Department officials tried to chase the animal towards the Garbetta forest, eventually tranquilized.
So you can kind of see people are...
Oh, they see it now. Yeah, they see it now. They're like, that is an elephant. And then now everybody's looking that way. And they're like,
oh, it's coming closer.
They're like,
I don't know what to do.
They're like, okay, when do we do something to this elephant? Now they're like, yep, that's coming right at us. And then that guy, he goes forward, then he goes back. He decides to try to go in the shop. I think, and he goes right for that area. Whoa. You definitely, I think you go alleyway, not in the store at that point. That would be my move.
Yeah,
I like alleyway, but it's hard in a moment of panic like that to really know what you're in for. Like it's also even hard to judge the scale of it at distance. You're like, it's an elephant, but like, how big is it really? See, that guy, he goes that sideways, and then he's like, nah, I'm going back. And he pushes to get in.
Everyone wants to go into the store.
He pushes. They like the store idea better. Wait,
There was a bull.
Oh, my God. I just noticed there's an animal in front of the elephant.
Maybe he was chasing the bull.
Oh,
the
okay.
cow.
The cow, yes.
The cow.
So it was at first chasing the cow. The cow had decent speed going on. And I don't know, like, what? The elephant is just irritated at this point. Elephant's like, you know what? I'm just pissed. This guy's getting on the moped. That guy's like, I don't like you. He goes, I'll take your moped and I'll smash your moped. And the other guy's like, he didn't even want to give it up. He didn't want to let go of the moped.
Yeah. And this poor woman.
Which one? Oh, the old lady over there. Oh,
that was close.
You know what? She's okay. She slipped right out at the last moment.
Yeah, no one...
This guy's following with the phone. He's like, I got to record this over here. Got the red shirt going on. He's got the wash on the jeans as well. I don't know if you noticed. You see the wash on the jeans?
Yeah.
He's got to get the clip. Everybody else is trying to stay alive. He's got to get the clip.
Yeah.
Damn, the cow in front was really what riled up the elephant. The elephant's like, I'm going to go after this cow. I recognize the cow. But then he sees the people and he goes, enough's enough already. I don't like your moped. That
was a back kick.
Wow.
As well.
Incredible stuff.
Yeah.
Wow, listen, that's a big animal right there.
Uh-huh.
You don't want to get in his way, but I feel like he's not the biggest elephant either. So it could have been worse.
Uh-huh.
He was, I don't know what his age is, but well, good thing they got him back to, they tranquilized, where they bring him to, scroll down there, Will. They brought him back to North Bengal. That's where he's got to be. You can't keep...
With the family.
Yeah, you can't keep coming over here to West Bengal. You got to be up in North Bengal, dude.
Yeah, it's a busy city over here.
Yeah, man, you can't be coming down west over here. Like, you can't come to the cell phone shop over here.
Yeah, you don't even have a cell phone.
Yeah, you got a better place. You can't be chasing these cows around over here.
Uh-huh.
Who knows how he even got there? Escape, whatever it was. Somebody in the chat says they hope he covered his carbon footprint, though. Yeah, he's got a big carbon.
He's got a big one.
He got a big carbon footprint. Thank you very much to everybody who joined here today.